In this video, let us understand how to make online driving school. So it's a web application project demo. Here we are using ASP.NET, a C# language with SQL Server as a backend. We'll show the complete demonstration. We'll show the different modules. So what are the options you can provide in each module? Therefore, once you understand this, then easy for you to make the project in any other different languages like web application languages like PHP, Python, or Java, JSP, etc. So if you're looking for any project requirement or if you want to customize softwares, so please contact us. So now let's look at the demo, so how the whole project works. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and you can right click here. So you can see videos. So if you want to do a project as per your curriculum and you are doing a computer science course, we all know like you need to do a project. So here we have different projects. Please browse them when you have free time. Now I'll take to the Visual Studio. So here you can see that first we'll go to admin main page. So here is admin main page. So these are the options which are provided in the admin main. So where you can enter vehicle types, corresponding list we can see, vehicle details and the corresponding list, qualifications and job for the users who would like to join for the course, and the course detail. What are the courses? So in driving school, what are the courses that we need to enter here? Then new customer approval. When they sign up, we need to give the approval, list of admissions, and then raise the payment, view transactions, and then log out. So these are the options which are there in the admin page. Same if you go to customer main. So what customer can do? So customer can do driving school vehicle. What are the vehicles are there? Then you can see the courses. Then they can do online payment. They can see the transaction details and they change the password and personal details. Right now, you assume that you want to make format it properly. I want them in box type. So what you have to do is you need to select each one. So hold the control key and select it. Sorry. Right. So next what you have to do is you have to go to format and there is align here. So align to left side, right? So then you have to make the same width. So go to this align, make same size, width and height both you have to make. So now you can see the taller in the same size. So again format align to left. Then we can change the background color. So for that you have to go to properties and then choose the back color here and then put some background colors. Okay, this is the one I like to select. Fine. So now you can see that all are in the same size and all background will be applied. And there is a border color here. So you want to change the border color. So you can choose some border color here and border style solid. So this is how it looks like. Fine. So if you put a right color, it may be better. So therefore, what you can do is again select this control. So light color will do the job. So therefore, I have to go to back color again. So choose some light color here, and this border width we want to make it smaller. Right. Now it looks good. Okay. So that's how we can make the changes as and when necessary. And here is the database, and this is the data connections. Here is the driving school connections, and if you expand this, you can able to see the tables here. So these are tables which you are using in this particular project. Fine. First let us run and check it out. So we'll select the driving school and we'll run this. So welcome to driving school. Click here. So there's admin and customer, two modules are there. Admin module. So we need to log into admin module. So if you go to list, so you can see that all the vehicle types are already entered. Auto, car, heavy vehicle, two wheeler. And you want to enter one more type, so you need to go here and type the data. Let's save. So this is the vehicle type. So and see the file name here, vehicle type .axpx. So once you click save, it will save the data to the go to the table. So that we can check it out here. So if I expand this, if you go to tables, we have corresponding table here, vehicle type. So this is a vehicle type table. Again, two columns are there, vehicle type and details. Whatever the data is entered, it should transfer to this particular table. So next to the vehicle details, if you go to list, there are vehicles already entered here. So these are the vehicles. So then you want to enter more vehicles, you need to go vehicles and then you need to enter here. So you can also upload the pictures. Qualification and job for the customer. So again, two fields are there here, you can enter. And course. So what are the courses? That is the courses you need to enter here. So here is a course name. So the car driving. Duration is 20 days. Each day 30 minutes drive training. We'll write more about it. Course fees is 4,500 rupees. Vehicle type is car. So you can choose the corresponding picture also here. Fine. I'll choose the car vehicle here. So I'll select this one, open. Then save. So record saved successfully. That is done. Next here is a new customer approval. So in order to approve the customer, so we have to copy this main address. Then go to one more tab, paste that address and then press enter key. You'll go to main page again. So now you can go as a customer. We can sign up here. So you have to fill all the details and then you have to sign up. Fine. So already I have a customer. So I'll just log in using that credentials. So let us log in. So with these credentials. So now we can see that driving school trying new vehicles. We can see the vehicles here. Fine. So if we select this, so it'll show some pictures here. Then these are the courses. Car driving, we just enter here. And then, so here you want to select the car driving. So you need to select the timing, what time you want to go for the driving. So 11 o'clock is good. So any other informations, so please pick up at the point. So you can write the locations here. So submit, record created successfully. So now here is the list of admissions. So there is a new admissions here. So 11 o'clock. So here is a payment. So now you can see that this is a driving training. So you can raise 4,500 rupees. So max 10 days time. Okay. So now payment online. So user has to make the payment for this. Okay, so we'll enter 4,500 payment details. So this is a dummy payment. So paid via CAN card. Transaction number. We can give some dummy transactions details. So here you can see the transactions. So there is a new transactions here. So 4,500 is raised over there. So this was what we raised and then this is what they make the payment. So here is the transaction details. So again for this particular user, so this is the payment need to be paid. So they paid the total money here. Then in case change password, they can change the password. Sorry. And these are the personal details. Fine. So these are the options which are provided for the customer and these are the options for the admin. So here is the admin login and this is the HTML design. So once you design this, so you can see that correspondingly code will be generated and C# code you need to write it here. So this is a C# code to work. So to learn C#, so we have a separate videos, step by step is explained. So please watch our channel and learn. So if you have anything to say, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. Thank you.